over this. Woo! Yes! Hello guys, I'm Morvin Vlog. So I'm back again for the vlogging because I'm busy. So ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ng ilang days. And sana nandyan pa kayo sa mga sumusuporta. And for this video, we're gonna sharing free riding 3 mountain hill. Yes. First things first, this the spot number 1. Nakakita kami ng bundok called guys dyan. Mag-start ako sa top, then full send pababa hanggang dyan. And shoutout kay Kuya Kinisinyo, mag-sit up siya doon sa side bago ako mabibideo. I don't know if I try, but my bike still not drinking the brakes. So let's go. Kung matatapos tong free riding sa to, babala guys, yung mga nanonood dyan na bata, hindi nyo to gagawin dahil pagbaba ko to highway, daan. Babala lang sa mga dumadaan dito. Pag biglang nagsending walang preno, tapos may sasabay na truck, shit, sabay ka baong, hindi nasasandi drop. Yeah. So let's see on the top. Then 3, 2, 1. First mountain level. So yeah, there's the mountain, and as you can see, it's a pretty top hill. So we're gonna try full sending on the line, then drift over this one, then full sending over the road gap, then full send the highway. So let's go. Yo, I've never expecting the line, but I made it. Yes. So take to see that ramp over there, and we're gonna full sending again and pedal hard to make it drift full speed. Then kung matatapos to, second batch, second mountain hill, then how shall we go? Peace. So yeah, we're back in the second mountain hill. So this is the mini mountain hill na ilang beses na ako nagpun dito guys, 2 times. Yeah, so we're gonna full send the line, then jump over the ledge, and it's pretty windy and the sun's come out, so my head got hurts. So yeah, so ayun. So bago tayo mag-end video mamaya, gusto ko lang magpa-shoutout sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Shoutout kay Prinslita Muraday Lakay, Shinami Laranang, Serin Mitch Milan, Arvin Dades, Lexter Bautista, and yeah, marami pang tao. Pero kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout guys, just comment down below, then subscribe to my channel, follow me TikTok. Let's go! So, tapos na yung full send natin dito pababa. Yeah. So So we're gonna set upping again. So wag na tayong palikos-likos dito. Gagawa na ako ng edit na dito. Tapos kanina, yeah, remix. Then kita nyo na lang yung result. Let's go. Exam edit na. Peace.